I needed to repair my 2013 MacBook, and this came in handy. Don't try to repair your MacBook with the wrong tools. You'll only damage the screws that are specially on it. Get a tool set that's correct for it. And here are the tools that it comes with. It comes with the exact tools you need for the different screws that come with different MacBooks. And you get 3 options there. And you will see that I have pieces of rubber band in here. That is for good reason. I had started stripping some of my screws because I used the wrong screwdriver to begin with. And if you have started stripping any of your screws, if you stick a rubber band down first and then push this in, you get much better traction. So if you are here looking at this product because you've already gotten yourself in a little bit of trouble, remember the rubber band trick. It really works. It also comes with some helpful tools once you get inside the computer. This one has little ways to safely dislodge items and wedge under items. And a pretty sharp little pick here. And this also is great for getting in the sides and pulling up. And finally, some very high quality tweezers to get in there for precise work. I can't be happier with this tool set. It came in handy and saved me when I was in a bind, and I'm thrilled to have it for if I ever need to do any work with electronics again.